Well, hello again, my friends, and welcome back to Carpo's Homestead. I really haven't uploaded anything here in months. I had a couple videos I was going to and just never got around to, but I will be shortly, and one of them is a walk through the field. As when I moved into this place, I said, I'm going to take my secondary channel. It's going to be dedicated to, you know, getting the chicken coops fixed up, getting all the, crops planted. I did a little walk around the field, showed the 3 apple trees over there. And the only thing that I could do after that, because it was like September, October, then it was winter. So it was a mild winter here, but the spring has come. It's April now, and I've got extreme back pain. My sciatica kicked in right when I had to go work a couple of long days, going up and down stairs, doing carpentry, where the boss didn't have tables for the saws, so I had to kneel down. It was just a nightmare. So I woke up this morning just with my ass kicked, but it's like 75 degrees out and there's work to be done. So I'm down here digging up a plot next to the chicken coop, and my son helped me plant a bunch of sugar snap peas. Um, I'm basically building like like I guess it's like a 16-foot by 8 foot, just kind of outrigger some wood that I had around here, and then hanging a trellis on there for the beans. And inside, I've got a bunch of seeds started. I've got everything, you know, rosemary and thyme and tomatoes, and working on everything else, lettuce, and uh, I want to get a bunch of potatoes because potatoes are always good to eat. But I'm going to be sharing the process of all the planting, and I'm going to do a walk through the 3 apple trees. The only thing I did over the winter was prune the 3 apple trees back, and actually 2 out of 3. One of them's kind of haggard. I never got around to it. Didn't have the big ladder, but the other 2 are perfectly pruned, and they just look like these wonderful umbrellas of flowers now. And I'm really excited to share this all, with the world for what it's worth. I love watching, videos of people growing their own food, doing their own thing. I feel like right now it's the most important thing that we could be doing is learning how to grow food, how to fix our own shit, and not be so dependent upon a system that may not always be there for us in the capacity that we want it to. So, if I can sit comfortably under my favorite tree here, uh, when things are okay, I want to be able to sit under this tree when things aren't okay and still be able to be self-sufficient. And, I still don't have chickens, but we're going to be working on that as well. So, um, there will be updates coming. I was going to do a walkthrough right now, but it's not quite. First of all, my body hurts and I don't want to walk all the way over there. But besides planting, the peas and getting that garden bed ready, um, my wife picked up a Italian dwarf plum tree, and I planted that strategically in the field there with some protective wire around it, hoping to keep the moles out. Been trying to fight the moles as well, and then planted various plants and hedges and a ton of seeds like flowers, some vines, and I'm just going to see what grows. So it's a beautiful day out here. I'll talk to y'all next time. Be well now.